Hello everyone, this is me, and this is my biggest pride, my family. I have a hilarious husband, an adorable princess, and a hard-working housemaid. I will say I'm the happiest person in the world if...
What do you think you're doing? You asked only for this project and you give this piece of trash?
No, Miss
If
Whitney.
you want, please say it directly.
No, Miss Whitney.
No more explain. You're so useless. You're so useless. Hey.
Oh, sorry, Mom. The painting is not good, so the teacher didn't hang it on the wall like everyone else.
What? Why you're so stupid? You don't do properly. Why didn't you copy your friend painting?
What's the matter?
That's what I want to ask you. You're a father, but you don't know how to teach your children. Look, she embarrassed me. How can I meet other parents? Minh Phương, where are you? Minh Phương? Minh Phương, where are you?
You are stupid! You embarrass me! You are useless!
Honey, look at our daughter.
Hey, clear this table. I'm gonna have an online meeting in 5 minutes.
Yes, I'm doing.
Quickly! This was useless. So useless.
She embarrassed me.
You are useless!
This was useless.
Hey, I think the project is having some problems. Shall we tell her and maybe I can help you?
Okay, actually, my suggestion is this one. Whereas I write this in this. The second is
Okay, good job.
Mommy, I really love yogurt.
Oh, what smells so good?
Welcome home. I have just made what Minh Phương likes. She seems to be really sad about her painting.
Okay, let me see her.
Can I have you? Oh, I'm so sorry. My painting is not good, so teachers didn't hang it on the wall like everyone.
Oh, it's really beautiful. I client and I want to put it in my office. Can I buy it to the computer?
Yay! I love you, Mom!
Everyone's dinner's ready.
Chicken wings! I love you! I love my family!
Good job, Audrey.
See, I told you I'm the happiest person in the world.
Everyone, Minh Phương is not home yet, so this yogurt will belong to the father. Say hello.